Panduranga, Vittala Pahe. Another beautiful composition. So this bhajan, the ragam in which this bhajan is composed is Keeravani ragam. There are again many bhajans in Keeravani, and shortly I'll cover that. Ragam is Keeravani. Talam, it's a 8-beat bhajan. Again, the same bhajan talam what we learned in the previous one. This is also same 8-beat bhajan. So in Carnatic we say Adi Talam, or in Hindustani Keherwa. And coming to the Shruti, so this bhajan is usually sung between F and G. So ladies or girls can take F, F sharp or G depending on your voice range. Or sometimes if it is still high, you can go still half pitch lower. And gents can usually take, C Panchamam Shruti for this bhajan. Again, plus or minus half or one Shruti. So C Panchamam. And coming to the other similar bhajans in this ragam, Keeravani ragam. अनाथ बंधो साई प्रभो अपराध क्षमा करो साई प्रभो. So that is one in Keeravani. Another one, Muralidhara Murahara Natavara. Another one, He Gananatha Gajanana. So all these bhajans are sample bhajans in Keeravani ragam. So this bhajan is also in Keeravani. So let's quickly learn the meaning of this bhajan. Panduranga, Panduranga. As we all know, again, Panduranga, Lord of Pandharpur, right? Panduranga. Panduranga, Panduranga, we sing Swami. You are again in the form of Panduranga. Vittala Pahe. Pahi is, basically one who protects. Okay, that's why we say Pahi in Sanskrit. So Pahe, Swami, we are saying Swami, you protect us, right? In the form of Lord Vittala now, we are Swami singing your Namasmarana, and Swami, please protect us. That's what we are asking Swami. Pahe, you are the protector, Swami. Dina Natha, Swami, you are like those who are left without anything in this world, who are left alone. Swami, you are Dinon ke Nata. Swami, you are Nata, you are the God for all of them. Karuna Nata. Karuna, as we know, Lord is full of mercy. He, even if we make any mistake unknowingly, when we ask for forgiveness, Swami will, forgive us. And that much of Karuna Murti he is. Karuna Nata. Sai Nata Hare. We are saying, Swami, glory to you, Swami. So you are our Swami, Sai Nata. Pandari Nata, Panduranga, Vittala Pahe. So Pandari Nata, you are Lord of Pandharpur, Swami. Panduranga. Yes, we see you in the form of Panduranga. Pandari Nata, Panduranga, Vittala Pahe. A beautiful bhajan. And I forgot to mention one thing. The previous bhajan, that bhajan, since it's not a very fast bhajan, usually in the bhajan session, that bhajan is sung between, say, 4th to 6th bhajan. That's where Krishna bhajan is placed. So this bhajan, Panduranga, Panduranga, it's a little fast-paced bhajan. So usually sung between 8th and 10th slot of the regular bhajan session. Okay, so let's learn the bhajan, Archita. So for learning session, we have taken F Panchamam. So in case if you are also repeating, you can put F at your end, F Panchamam. Panduranga, 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 Panduranga. Vittala, Vittala. So Vittala pronunciation also will say Tha instead of Ta. You give a little huskiness in Tha. Vittala. Okay. Vittala, Vittala, Pahe. So there are a when you say, right, there are 4 notes where you will cross that pahe. So Vittala pahe. Those are the 4 notes which you are singing pahe. So can you sing pahe again? Pahe. Correct. So yeah, again improvisation we can do. How you can do means Vittala pahe. That is you're adding little briga he. But basic note is he. Those are the 4 notes of pahe. Did you get that, Kanna?
Yeah.
So that briga you can add at the end. Pahe. Those are the 3rd and 4th note. You are going. Sing.
Should I start from?
Start from Panduranga. Start from Panduranga.
Panduranga, Panduranga, Vittala pahe.
There also hey. Try that.
Should I start from
Start from big. And where, and see, this line is long, right? So breath is very important where you take the breath. So Panduranga, breath. Breath means like not long breath, short breath. Panduranga, breath. Panduranga, breath. Vittala pahe. So after Vittala, short breath. Vittala pahe. Because you need to sustain till the follow starts, right? So you will take breath in these places which we just mentioned. Can you sing now, Kanna?
Panduranga, Panduranga, Vittala pahe.
So pahe should be one word. We should not split pa and he separately. So that's why Vittala, breath. After Vittala, take a short breath before you take pahe. So you should not split pa and he.
Yeah.
The meaning will change. Pahe means his protector. So pahe should be one word. So Vittala pahe.
Vittala pahe.
Perfect. Can you sing one more time, Kanna? Then we'll go to next line.
Panduranga, Panduranga, Vittala pahe.
Correct. Deenanatha.
Deenanatha,
Karunanatha.
Karunanatha.
Yeah, Natha, both places we will say with second tha, Natha. Okay. Deenanatha, Karunanatha.
Deenanatha, Karunanatha.
Correct. And second time when you sing Natha, you can give a briga. Deenanatha, Karunanatha.
Deenanatha. How do I?
Natha, Karuna, Natha.
Deenanatha, Karunanatha.
Correct. Sainath Hari.
Sainath Hare. How do I?
So Sainath. After that, take a half breath. Why? Before you start Hare, take a short breath there. साईनाथ हरे.
Does Hare have to be like one full word, just like the? Okay.
Correct.
Should
Yeah,
I
sing Sainath Hare.
Sainath Hare.
Correct. Pandarinatha.
Pandarinatha.
Panduranga.
Panduranga.
Pandarinatha. Panduranga.
Pandarinatha. Panduranga.
Vittala. So here also after you take Vittala, take a short breath. Then only you can sustain Pahe. Vittala Pahe.
Vithala Pahe.
Vittala Pahe.
Vithala.
Vittala.
Vithala Pahe.
Correct. Did you get Vittala now? The place where you stand Vittala? Can you just sing the one time of Vittala Pahe?
Vithala Pahe.
Very good. So do the second speed and I'll follow the second speed. You want to try second speed?
Can I follow after you?
Okay, after second speed then, okay, or you want to sing first speed?
I'll do first speed.
Okay, sing first speed, I'll follow.
Panduranga, Panduranga, Vittala Pahe.
Panduranga, Panduranga, Vittala Pahe.
Panduranga, Panduranga, Vittala Pahe.
Sing little faster because this song is usually sung little faster. Panduranga, Panduranga, Vittala Pahe.
Deenanatha, Karunanatha.
Deenanatha, Karunanatha.
Deenanatha, Karunanatha.
Deenanatha, Karunanatha.
Sainath Hare.
Sainath Hare.
Sainath Hare.
Sainath Hare.
Pandarinatha, Panduranga, Vittala Pahe.
Pandarinatha, Panduranga. So in Parthi bhajans like which we heard, they sing Pandarinatha, Panduranga. After that there will be follow. Then Vittala Pahe. Yeah, sing.
So I sing Pandarinatha and then
We'll follow the same, yes. Pandarina, after that Panduranga, and then we'll follow. So sing till Panduranga.
Pandarinatha, Panduranga.
Pandarinatha, Panduranga.
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे. So after this we'll sing second speed. Second speed, all straight lines, so you can repeat. Panduranga Panduranga Vitthala pahe.
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे
दीननाथा करुणानाथा
दीनानाथा करुणानाथा.
And second speed, we don't give the second variation here, just directly only one plain. What we sang now, that's what is sung in second speed. Sainath Hare
साईनाथ हरे
Pandarinatha Panduranga
पंढरीनाथ पांडुरंगा
Vitthala pahe
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे
विठ्ठला पाहे.
So Vitthala pahe alone we'll sing twice and then we'll end the bhajan. So how will you end the bhajan? Pandu. Sing the first line.
पांडुरंगा पांडुरंगा विठ्ठला पाहे.
Correct. So we'll quickly run through and then we'll open the session. Thank you so much, Archita.
Thank you.
Panduranga Panduranga Vitthala pahe Panduranga Panduranga Vitthala pahe Deenanatha Karunanatha Deenanatha Karunanatha Sainath Hare Sainath Hare Pandarinatha Panduranga Pandarinatha Panduranga Vitthala pahe Vitthala pahe Panduranga Panduranga Vitthala pahe Deenanatha Karunanatha Sainath Hare Pandarinatha Panduranga Vitthala pahe Vitthala pahe Panduranga Panduranga Vitthala pahe.